In this video, we're going to be installing the Kies carbon kidney grills on the F33. Let's go. What's up everyone, I'm Steve and you're watching F33. Now if you like this video, give a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss when a new video drops. Now you might have seen in a previous video where I talked about fixing and upgrading my F33 after hitting a deer. The carbon kidney grill from Kies Motorsports is the last thing in this series related to the accident. Now previously I had carbon grills from RW Carbon, and while I really liked them, I probably spent way more than I should have on them, especially after seeing the ones from Kies Motorsports. Now these carbon grills from Kies Motorsports are every bit as good in terms of quality as the ones that I saw from RW Carbon. However, I think I like the ones from Kies Motorsports more. You see, the previous kidney grills that I had the M stripes on the driver's side, but they were actually stickers that I put on myself. Now these carbon ones from Kies Motorsports actually have the M stripes painted on them, it's way nicer. Now you can get these with or without these stripes. It's really personal preference. I just really like the stripes, which is why I chose them. Whichever way you go though, you cannot go wrong with these grills from Kies Motorsports. All right, so this is a very quick mod, so why don't we head out to the garage and get these installed.
The tools needed for this install are a T25 and a T30. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the driver's side kidney grill. To do this, remove the 6 T30s and 2 T25s holding the top of the bumper in place. This will let you slide your hand behind the grill to start unclipping it. With the driver's side grill out, you'll now have easy access to the other side. Now put those T30s and T25s back on the top of your bumper to hold it in place. Alright, last step is to install the new Kies carbon kidney grills. All you need to do is line up the tabs and press them in place.
All right, so as you saw, installing the Kies carbon kidney grills is really easy and only takes a few minutes to install and requires almost no tools. Now, Kies Motorsports has knocked it out of the park with these kidney grills, and I really love these. Now, as always, I have put links in the description below to all the products and tools needed for this install. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, smash it if that's what you're into, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.